In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Jupyter. If you're using an Android phone, the easiest and safest way to get started is by downloading the app directly from the Google Play Store. This helps make sure you're installing the official version of the app and not a copy or lookalike from somewhere else. Begin by unlocking your Android device and opening the Play Store. You can usually find it on your home screen or inside your app drawer. Once the Play Store is open, tap on the search bar at the top of the screen. In the search field, type Jupyter Mobile exactly as shown. After that, review the search results carefully until you find the app called Jupyter Mobile, Solana Wallet. Take a moment here to confirm that the app name matches properly before you install it. This is a good habit whenever you're downloading any wallet or financial app because small differences in the name can sometimes lead to the wrong result. Once you've confirmed that you've found the correct app, tap on it to open the app page. On the app page, tap the Install button. Your phone will now begin downloading and installing the app automatically. Depending on your internet speed and device performance, this may take a few seconds or a little longer. During this time, just wait for the installation to complete. You don't need to leave the screen, but you can if you'd like, since the Play Store will continue the process in the background. When the installation is finished, you'll see the Open button appear. Tap Open to launch Jupyter for the first time. At this point, the app is installed successfully and you're ready to move into the setup process. From here, just follow the on-screen instructions inside the app to continue. The app will guide you through the next stage, so make sure to read each screen carefully and proceed at a comfortable pace. If anything asks for permissions, take a second to understand what the app is requesting before accepting, and that's it. That's how to download Jupyter on Android using the Play Store. If you're following along for the first time, moving slowly and checking each screen carefully is the best way to avoid mistakes. Once the app is installed and opened, you can continue with the in-app instructions and finish setting everything up.